Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency-based question for 2 marks. Let's look at the question. A ship was moving towards the shore at a uniform speed of 36 km per hour. Initially, the ship was 1.3 km away from the foot of a lighthouse, which is 173.2 meter in height. Find the angle of depression x of the top of the lighthouse from the ship after the ship had been moving for 2 minutes. Show your steps and give valid reasons. And you can take root 3 as 1.732 and root 2 as 1.414. Okay, so let's find out how to solve this question. Now first let me mark the points of the triangle as A, B, this point is C and this point is D. Okay, now here they've mentioned that the ship was moving towards the shore at a uniform speed of 36 km per hour. Okay, so initially it was at a distance of 1.3 kilometers from the shore and from the foot of the lighthouse actually. And then it's moving towards, that is, it is moving towards this direction. Okay, so after some time, that is after 2 minutes, after moving for 2 minutes, we find that the position of the ship is at point C right now. Okay, and we have to find the angle of depression. Now this angle of depression here is given to be x degree, right? And the alternate interior angle to that is x degree as well. So this angle ACD now becomes x degree. Now they've given you that the speed of the ship is, speed is given to be, speed is equal to 36 km per hour. And the time it is moved is equal to 2 minutes. Now let me convert this to hours by dividing it with 60 and I would get 1 by 30 hours. Okay, now we can find out the distance that the ship has traveled in these 2 minutes. Now distance traveled will be equal to speed into time. And in this case it's 36 into 1 by 30. So let me divide with 6. So I would get 6 by 5. That is 6 by 5 kilometers, or that's equal to 1.2 kilometers. Okay, so that means to reach from point B to C, it has traveled 1.2 kilometers. Now, I know that BD is equal to 1.3 kilometers and BC I just found out as 1.2 kilometers. So if I subtract both, I can find out the length of CD. So that's BD minus BC. So that's equal to 1.3 minus 1.2, which is equal to 0.1 kilometers. Or if you convert it to meters, it would be 0.1 into 1000. That's equal to 100 meters. So we found out that the length of CD is 100 meters. Now in triangle ACD, I know that tan of x degree is equal to AD divided by CD. And that's equal to AD, they've given in the question as 173.2 meters. See, it's given in the question. That's the height of the lighthouse. So AD is 173.2 divided by CD, I just found out as 100. So this is going to be 1.732. That is tan x is equal to 1.732. And what is 1.732? It can be taken as root 3. They've said take 1.732 as root 3. So tan of x degree I know is equal to root 3. Now we also know that tan of 60 degree gives root 3. So instead of root 3, I've replaced it with tan 60 degree, from which we'll get the value of x as equal to 60 degree, which means the angle of depression now is going to be 60 degrees. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.